my channel. My name is Saili and today I am going to share my top 5 favorite face masks for acne prone skin. So I would start by saying that acne and blemishes are pretty common concern and it can be easily treated with the help of this mask or some lifestyle and dietary changes. But if it is not going away for a long time, you must have to consult your dermatologist because they know it better. Saying that, I would like to mention that skincare is very subjective. What works for me may not work for you. So patch testing is highly recommended before using this mask or any skincare product. I have oily, sensitive and acne prone skin and I have been dealing with acne since quite a lot of time, and these masks had helped me to go through it and I hope it would help you too. So yes, let's get started. So first and the favorite face mask is this Plum Green Tea Clear Face Mask. This is how it looks and this is how it looks from inside. As you can see, I had used quite a lot of it. This was probably my second or third jar because every time when I get acne due to some other skincare or makeup product, I reach out to this product.
This mask retails for Rs 490. It has green tea extract which helps to control acne. It is very gentle on skin. It has a creamy formula, so it is non-drying and it can be used by dry skin type people. However, it tingles a bit after application, but it is very much normal.
Next I have is this Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay Mask. This is how the product looks like and this is how it looks from inside. It comes in this powdery form and it is a huge tub. It is going to last you forever. So I had seen a lot of international YouTubers using this product and raving about it, so I bought it, and I must say if you have acne prone skin, you should give it a try because it really deeply cleanses your skin.
This mask retails for Rs 1440. It has 100% natural calcium bentonite clay. Bentonite clay is known for treating acne and breakouts. This clay also helps to remove the sebum from skin surface. It has a very strong formula, so it is advised to use it only once in a week. It ideally should be mixed with apple cider vinegar, but as I mentioned, I already have a very sensitive skin, so I don't take that risk. I just mix it with normal water and apply it. Also, you should thoroughly moisturize your skin after using this mask because it completely dries out your skin. So I would not recommend this mask for dry skin type people.
So next mask I have is this by L'Oreal Pure Clay Mask Detoxify. This is how the outer packaging of the product looks like and this is how it looks from inside. As you can see, I had completely used it. I can only scoop out last use from it and this is how much I loved it.
This mask retails for Rs 750. The key ingredient in this is active charcoal. Charcoal helps in removing dirt from pores and thoroughly cleanses the skin. It also helps in oil secretion and it reduces recurring acne. It has a non-drying creamy formula, so it can be used by all skin type people.
So next I have is this Pure Clay by L'Oreal. This is how the outer packaging looks like and this is how the mask looks like from inside. It has a very creamy texture, so it doesn't dry out your skin.
This mask retails for Rs 750. The key ingredient in this is eucalyptus. Now eucalyptus is very famous for helping to treat and prevent acne. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It reduces redness and other inflammatory conditions. It also helps in controlling oil secretion. It has a non-drying and creamy texture, so it can be used by all skin type people.
So last but not least, the next face mask I have is no brainer. This is Multani Mitti. I am very sure everyone must have it. It has been passed from generation to generation. It has to be the most safest, cheapest and effective mask and can be used by any skin type or age group. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching it. I hope it will be useful for you. If you like it, please do not forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends. See you next time. Bye bye.